Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're watching One Life Cars, the channel where I teach you how to fix your car. You join me once again in the Ford Fiesta for today's video, and I'm going to teach you guys how to remove and replace the carbon filter. For those of you who don't know, that's the interior filter that lets the air, that filters the air, should I say, that comes into the cabin that you breathe. Now, it's quite an overlooked job. Personally, I think it should be on every service, and officially it probably is. But it's one of those jobs that, you know, you'll do oil filters, air filter services and all that, and never really do the carbon filter. But yeah, it's the air you breathe. So in my eyes, it's quite important. Most of them get left for thousands of miles. There'll be a good chance this one's never been changed. I'm sure it'll be absolutely disgusting when we take it out. And we'll replace it with a new one, so the car's giving us nice, fresh, clean air. The idea of the carbon filter is, hence the word carbon filter, is to take all the nasty carbon monoxide from out the air and surrounding roads, so you're not breathing in all the other fumes from the other cars around you, and just generally freshen up the air that you breathe. So I'll show you how to remove and replace it. It's quite a simple job, it only requires a couple of tools. It's inside the car. Alright guys, you join me back on the passenger side of the car. First thing you've got to do is probably get the passenger door open to give you a bit of space, and we're going to look straight down under the glove box to this panel here, as you can see. Now, there's only one screw for the panel, and it's I've already taken it out. It's one of those little plastic sort of clips that has a Phillips bit in the end for a crosshead screw, so you can unscrew it and then sort of pop it out. And after that, you're just going to get your hand down at the bottom here, I'm sorry about the mess of the floor, and pull it out. There's two sort of clips up that side, and that pulls this panel out the way. Now, we're going to get right under at this unit here at the very back. Now, see the bit of plastic where there's two screws there at the bottom, 1 and 2, and there's 2 at the top, if you can see there. It's quite fiddly, this, to film and show you. So you've got 4 screws, which I think are Torx bits, and I'm going to confirm the size and what they are in a second. But the aim is to get those 4 screws undone, and that will reveal your cabin filter. So anyway, I'll find out what tool it is and let you know. Right guys, as you can see, I'm tucked right under the glove box. This is the most fiddly thing to try and do, let alone film, so please bear with me if the quality's not the best or the angle's a bit awkward. It's not, you know, I'm trying to show you exactly what to do, but it is crap under here. Anyway, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. I've already got 3 of them out. I'm just sort of ended on this last one to sort of do it with you guys. So we'll continue, pulling that out, which releases our cover. Now this is probably going to be quite grimy, and it's just a case of getting a finger in somewhere. Watch, see these metal pipes, guys? If you've just been in your car, watch it, because they're very, very hot, as I've just found out. But yeah, you can see this bit here, this is your carbon filter itself, and we're simply going to pull it out of the slot just like that. So, this is the carbon filter. As you can see, this is quite black and dusty, wow, especially on the back. Sorry about the crap light, guys. And the next thing we're going to do is fit the new one. Now, you've probably just got your new one, just pulled it out of the box. It's going to look exactly the same as that. It doesn't really matter which way around it goes, to be honest. There's not a front and back at all, is there? No, it doesn't matter. So, I'm going to get the filter, and you're simply going to line it up with the hole you've just pulled it out of, and it is as simple as this, guys. You're simply going to shove it back in, just like that. Pop your cover, please forgive my filming, back on, just like that, but the right way round. This will only go one way. And there you go, put all 4 screws back in, pop your plastic panel back on this side that we took off earlier, put the little rivet screw back in, and that's jobs are good in. Guys, I hope you found this video useful, or at least a bit useful, because it was hard to see. Nice and simple one. I really recommend do it. If your car feels a bit stuffy or dusty when you're driving it, do this, it'll make all the difference. Keep the air inside fresh that you breathe in. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is how to remove and replace the carbon filter on the Ford Fiesta. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop us a comment if you'd like. But until next time, take it easy, look after yourselves. Peace.